Hello everybody, myself Geeta. I'll teach you every day one aptitude question and one GK question. Children from 5th standard can learn this. Now let us see the question. How many numbers between 11 and 90 are divisible by 7? In question, it is very clear that they are asking us to find out the numbers between 11 and 90 which are divisible by 7. That is nothing but your 7 table. 7 ones are 7. We cannot take 7 here because they have asked us to take the number above 11. So 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, so on. 7 11s are 77, 7 12s are 84, 7 13s are 91, which is above 90. So we cannot take 91. So we shall stop at 84. Now this is looking like a series or pattern. So we can consider it as a arithmetic progression or arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence means it is a sequence where the difference between consecutive terms is constant. That is 21 minus 14 will be 7, 28 minus 21 will be 7, so on. Again here we can observe 84 minus 77 is also 7. That means the difference between the consecutive terms is constant. So we have taken it as an arithmetic sequence. We have a formula for arithmetic progression or arithmetic sequence, that is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. We shall see what is A, what is n, what is D and all. Now A is equal to your first term in the series. A is your first term in the series. Now D is the difference between the series. So we got 7 here, right? Difference. So this is your difference between the consecutive terms. Now Tn is equal to the last term in the series. The last term in the series is your Tn. Now we have got the values. Now here we have to find the numbers between 11 and 90, which is n, which is your n. Now we have to find n. Now we'll substitute all these values in Tn. This formula we can substitute. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1. Tn is your 84. So now we can substitute A and D value here. The value of A is 14. The value of D is 7. Now we have substituted the value of A here, the value of A as 14 and the value of D as 7 in this formula A plus n minus 1 into D. I have just interchanged here. 84, I just wrote 84 this side because our aim is to find out the value of n. That is the numbers between 11 and 90 is your n. Now we have to find out n. So if I write like this, it will make easy for me to find out the value of n. Now we shall write 14 plus 7n. 7n is nothing but your n into 7 minus 1 into 7 is 7, which is equal to 84. Now plus 14 minus 7 plus 14 minus 7 will become plus 7 plus 7n. I have written it same. Then equal to 84. We'll write it same. Now 7n is equal to 84 minus 7. 84 minus 7. Now plus 7. When I take it this side, it will become minus 7. Now 84 minus 7 will be 77. 7n is equal to 77. Now this 7n, 7 into n equal to 77. N is equal to 77 divided by 7. Whenever we have multiplication symbol here, when it comes to this side, it will become division. That's why 7 has come here. 77 divided by 7. Now n is equal to 77 divided by 7. 7 11s are 77. Now we got the value of n as 11. So we have 11 numbers between 11 and 90 which are divisible by 7. So hope you understood how to find the arithmetic sequence. Now I will give you one question. You can just try out at home. How many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 7? How many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 4? You have to do it in the same way, arithmetic sequence. So here they are asking you to write from 2-digit number, that is 4 3s are 12. From 12 you can start, then you can put the values in arithmetic progression formula. Now we shall see the GK question. Can any one of you identify her? She is Arunima Sinha. She is an Indian mountain climber. She was national level volleyball player till 2011. When she was going to Delhi in a train, accidentally she was pushed from the train by some robbers while she was resisting them. When she fell down from the train, she fell on another track where the other train came and amputated her leg below the knee. From below the knee, her leg was cut. So she got a rod in her right leg and multiple fractures in her spinal cord. In spite of this also, she had a very strong goal and aim of climbing Mount Everest. So she took a training from Tata Institute of Mountain Climbing. Then finally, she reached the summit of Mount Everest at 10:55 a.m. on 21st May 2013. As part of Tata Group sponsored her in climbing of the Mount Everest. They gave her the training and she has become the first female amputee to scale the Everest. She took almost 52 days to do this summit. She has already done 7 peaks till 2014. She has climbed another 7 mountain peaks. She got Padma Shri Award in 2016 where Narendra Modi gave her this award. Then she wrote a book, Born Again on the Mountain. And this book was also inaugurated by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Thank you.